Hey, so if you are interested about that case that comes in the box with the POCO X8 Pro, so it is actually well made. This is the silicone matte case, so it doesn't actually catch fingerprints or any greasy marks when you just move around the back of this case. So that's a good point. It's actually well made and it's flexible. It's not like super hard. Now I'm gonna show you how we can put it in the phone. It's actually quite simple. Take a look. Just like this. And the good point of this case is the fact that it comes above the screen, especially on the corners. So it means that you put your phone on the flat surface like this, your screen will not scratch. The same when you take a look on the cameras. As you can see, the bumper of the camera goes a little bit above camera lenses. So the same situation when you put it like this, you shouldn't actually scratch this. Now it's actually pretty nice when you grab it, and the buttons work really smooth. It's quite easy to tap on them for volume buttons or the power button. You get also access into all ports like microphone, IR blaster, on the bottom another microphone, USB-C port, and the speaker. Unfortunately, there's actually covered for the SIM slot, but there's also good cutouts for flashlight and also for cameras. So it's actually really well made. It's not slipping out of the hand when you hold it, so I can highly recommend you this case. And that's all, just a quick informative video for you.